Hey everyone, and welcome back to Clever Mom. Tired of complicated breakfasts? Today, I'm showing you how to make the easiest, fastest, and fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. Let's get clever in the kitchen. The secret to speed? Everything goes in one bowl. No separating eggs, no fancy steps. Just a quick whisk until everything's just combined. And remember, a little lumpiness is okay. That's part of the magic for fluffy results. Time to cook. Medium heat is your best friend here. Wait for those little bubbles to form on top, and then it's time for the flip. Look at that perfect golden brown. Each one cooks up in just a minute or two, making breakfast a breeze. And there you have it. Golden on the outside, incredibly soft and fluffy on the inside. This recipe is a game changer for busy mornings. Try it for yourself and let me know. Thanks for watching, and for more clever ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to Clever Mom.